Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Steam Cloud for truck tools in ETS2 and ATS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can customize various features and preferences for your account. In the settings window, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on Cloud to access the Steam Cloud settings. This is where you can manage how Steam handles your save files across different devices. Now, navigate to the option that says Enable Steam Cloud. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle this off. Disabling this ensures that Steam Cloud is turned off globally for your account, which means your save files won't be automatically synced to the cloud anymore. Alternatively, if you want to disable Steam Cloud for a specific game rather than your entire library, here's how to do it. In the upper left corner, click on Library. This will take you to your game collection where you can see all your installed and available games. Now, I don't have ETS2 or ATS in my Steam library at the moment, but I'll show you the next steps anyway. Let's pretend that I have ETS2 or ATS in my Steam library so you can see exactly what to do. In the left panel where all your games are listed, right-click on the game you want to change the Steam Cloud save settings for, whether that's Euro Truck Simulator 2 or American Truck Simulator. From the context menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with various settings specific to that game. In the Properties window, look for the option that says Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for Euro Truck Simulator. You'll see a toggle next to this option. Make sure to toggle this off. By doing this, your saves will stay only on your PC and Steam won't overwrite them with older cloud data. This is especially useful if you edit your saves using truck tools or other save editors, as it prevents any conflicts or loss of your customized data. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Steam Cloud for your truck simulation games, giving you full control over your save files locally. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.